Hi, you with Dennis Phoenix at ISE 2020 on the Laserworld booth, and here we have one of our new German manufactured systems called our RTI Piko. It's a 28 watt full color laser system. It has really good beam specifications. It's using our new RSL semiconductor laser modules, which really keep the size compact and small, especially for the type of power that this system is. It's got a great white balance, great beam alignment. It's perfect for long distance high power graphics as well as long distance laser beams through the air. Great for concerts, festivals, outdoor applications, for projects. It has a really nice small 4.5mm beam size with a 0.9 mRad divergence, so the graphics capabilities as standard is great, and it has optional extras to upgrade to CT6210 scanner systems. It has the option to integrate different software cards. Comes as standard with our ShowNet software card to do direct DMX control or use our show controller software. Also has an option to integrate the Pangolin FB4 system. So it's a lovely compact system for being a 28 watt system of high-end beam specifications. Please go to laserworld.com for further information, images and videos of it in action. Thank you.